Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
For your enjoyment, Disneyland Park will remain open till 9 o'clock tonight. Disney California Adventure will remain open till 10 o'clock tonight. Tram service will continue up to 1 hour after the last park has closed. Park reservations are required to enter into either one of the parks. Driver, your tram is clear. You will be exiting out to the driver's left-hand side and left-hand side only, please. Once again, please maintain with the doors closed so the tram comes to its full complete stop. Then you will be exiting out on the driver's left-hand side towards the bushes and the monorail, please, and not the street side.